up, folks? So we are headed to New England soon, at least I am. She's going to be joining me later. So I'm going to be doing a video finding the best lobster rolls in New England. Now you might be looking at this place over here behind me and saying, that doesn't look like New England, and you'd be right. So I am back home right now. We're at a place called A Bite of Maine. So we're going to use this place as a bit of a baseline, if you would say, for the experiment. We're gonna use this as like a control. So I'm gonna try the lobster roll here at A Bite of Maine, and then we're gonna rate this one, and then we're gonna see who's got the better one, New England or here. All right, so we ordered. Here's our receipt, right there. $78 total for all of that. So I have got this drink here called a Moxie. If you're watching from this area, yeah, this will be my first time ever trying this. Apparently this is a regional drink. The guy says it kind of tastes like Robitussin to him, or like cough syrup. So I guess we're gonna check and see what it is. It kind of tastes like root beer, really.
It's Robitussin.
Huh? It's like a mild root beer.
Taste it.
She's gonna try it.
I'm just cleaning up because you didn't clean it before you took a drink. I'm not cleaning your germs off.
Yeah.
Not bad. I'm drinking Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, so it's kind of just like, to me, it's like a mild root beer. So it's not bad. Not bad. You know, not great, but not bad. So we are our stuff, and we'll come back when it's here and rate it. So we got one Maine and one Connecticut lobster roll. So I know there's a difference. Like one is like a sauce, and the other one's just warm with butter. So and one's cold and one's hot. So I'm probably gonna like the Maine one, I think, better, even though it's not gonna be hot, but it's probably gonna have more flavor. So we'll see. All right, they have arrived. Okay, so here we have the Connecticut lobster roll, and here we have the Maine lobster roll, and here we have the cheesy poutine fries. So this one, she ordered this one, but we're probably gonna split it in half. And I ordered this one here. So let's try them out and see what we think. And we're gonna go ahead and rate them. All right, there we go. I would try that one first because it's supposed to be warm. Ooh, all right. What do you think? What do you think?
Just tastes like lobster.
Yeah. All right, try that one then. That's the main one. Which one do you prefer? You like the warm butter one? All right, cool. All right, let's try mine. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try the Connecticut one first. It is good. It's not very warm though. Borderline room temperature, kind of a little bit cold, but it's still good. The roll's pretty warm though.
I feel like it's the AC.
Definitely buttery though. Really buttery. Lobster's good, not overdone. All right. Now we're gonna try the main one. That is good. I don't know, there's just something about warm and butter. You know, something, you know, growing up around this area and eating, you know, crabs and all that stuff, just the warm and the butter together. But this is solid.
I think the cold one just tastes a bit more dense. It's not soft.
The roll itself is good though.
It's like a sweet roll or something.
Like a potato roll kind of. This is definitely very good. There's definitely solid options. If you're from this area, Virginia Beach area, I would recommend coming and checking them out. It's A Bite of Maine. They're off of Lynn Haven Drive, right here by the marina. So definitely check them out. But now we're gonna go ahead and switch to in New England. So I searched for some lobster rolls where they got them fresh off the boat. So these aren't gonna be inland places that are serving lobster rolls. These are gonna be here. So we'll see. But yeah, here we go. What is up, folks? I am here officially in New Hampshire at my first place to get a lobster roll. So I am here at River House right here on the can you guess? On the river. Oh, there we go. All right, so I am here to get some lobster tail. I keep saying lobster tail, lobster roll. Now apparently they do have them right here. Choose your style. Lobster rolls, lobster BLT, and then the tall ship. So I'm gonna get whatever their most popular is. That's gonna be the rule. I gotta get whatever the most popular is. So they have a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna show you like what's on the menu. I really don't care. I'm doing a lobster roll, so I'll flip it around. I'll show you guys. All right, here you go. Here's a little peek at the menu. It's called River House. It's just, right here. Boom, there we go. And then there's their lobster rolls. They got like 3 different types of ones. So we're gonna check those out. Get a beer. We're gonna rate it. And we're gonna see, the best one. So I'll be right back. All right, there we go. There's the lobster roll. It is slightly bigger than the one back home. And it's kind of crazy because the one back home was $18.99. And this one was $42, so yeah. All right, let's try it though. All right, here we go. This one's got some lettuce on it. Let's try it here. I mean, it's good. The roll's like nice and crunchy. You got butter coming. Look, butter going down my arm. Yeah, the roll's nice and crunchy. The lobster's good. It tastes nice and fresh. I'm gonna get something like a 7.2 right here. Boom. All right, cool. On to the next place. All right, here we are in my little journey of finding the best lobster roll in New England. We're here at Marky's Lobster Pool, and then I just noticed across the street there's another one called Brown's right there. Are these two like each other's throats or something? But this is the one we're gonna go try right here, Marky's Lobster Pool. Let's go check it out and rate it. So they got the live lobster right here. Got it right here. Here's their menu. You guys want to just see their menu here? Going for the lobster roll right there. I'll probably get a side of fries with it. All right, here we go. Bam. So I think this will be my first cold one, actually, because I normally do. The last time I done the butter ones, he's got his here. This is the scenery right here. Marky's Lobster Pool. We're gonna try this right here. All right. So already the look of it, I like the roll. That roll looks nice. All right, let's try it. That's good. Cold. And it's got a little mayonnaise sauce on it, right there. Can I see it?
Number 118, your fried.
I'm not really quite sure yet if I prefer
128 lobsters.
the warm
Lobsters.
or the cold yet.
Number 139, your fried fettuccine.
You know what I mean? But like, this one's still good. So this was from Marky's Lobster Pool in Seabrook, New Hampshire. I'm gonna give this one 7.6. There we go. All right, on to the next. All right, here we go. Right here, Fox's Lobster House, right here in Cape Nettic, York, Maine. There's the lobster roll, right there. Here's the view. Bam. All right, I'm gonna try it, and then we're gonna rate it. Okay, so presentation. It's coming out of the top there. We've got that nice toasted bun. So this is the cold one with the mayo. So. I mean, it tastes fresh. The bun is warm, toasty, nice and crispy. I gotta say, not a lot of flavor. I don't know if you can hear me. I gotta speak up. Not a lot of flavor. I thought normally this style was had like spices on it. It kind of looks like it. but I'm not really picking up much flavor. I'm gonna have to give this like a 6-8, I guess. So here's my review. On to the next. All right, so I'm here at the Boston Sail Loft here in Boston, Massachusetts. Actually, right here. As you can see, the Boston Harbor. This place is very, very, very highly rated. We're talking 4.6 stars, over 5,000 reviews. So I am going to order a lobster roll here, and I'm gonna try and rate it. So here they have these are cold, and then it's served with fries and coleslaw. And I also ordered a Guinness, so I might try the Guinness as well. But we're gonna try it. That's funny. There we go.
There we go.
There we go. Right here. All right, I got the lobster roll.
How you doing? You have a drink?
The lovely bartender says I should get this one.
Sure.
Because this one's going to be good. It does look like it has some seasoning on it, like some of the other ones haven't had. All right, let's try it. Okay. It is definitely better than the last one that I had at Fox's Lobster Company. This one does taste like it has a little bit of Old Bay on it. So definitely a plus for that one. The roll as usual. Really good. This one's a little softer than some of the other ones, but it's still good. I'm gonna give this one like a 7.8. There we go. Alright, let's on to the next one. Alright, so we made it inside of Luke's Lobster Company. We're here, we're in the upstairs. Right here, as you can see, nice little view. But we got the menu. They have a lobster roll flight. It comes with a lemon butter one, a spicy honey butter, and a truffle butter. So we're gonna do that. I think we're gonna do the lobster flight and try that. You can also get just the lobster rolls in a 4, a 6, or an 8 ounce. Right now the prices are $28, $39, and $50. But we are going to do this one. And apparently they have on the board where their lobster has come from today, and today's, I guess, has come from Portland. So we are gonna try that. We'll be right back. There we go. There's our lobster roll flight right here with fries. Boom. All right, let's try it. All right, let's try this here. We're gonna rate this. I think it's the one with the butter.
Very much.
It's good, but it's cold.
Yeah, they're okay.
But that bun's nice. That bun is very nice. Try that one. Ooh. The third one's like Old Bay kind of seasoning.
Doesn't look like all day.
Try it, you'll see it.
It's like green.
Yeah. Just doesn't have the spice of Old Bay. I would say the second one's my favorite. I give that one. I give the first one like a 7.2. This one like a 7.6. It'd be better if it was hot. And then this one 7.2 as well.
Yeah, they're all cold.
Yeah, they're all cold. Yeah, this is Luke's lobster roll. It's supposedly the best lobster roll in Portland. So, I think that's going to conclude my search for the best lobster roll in New England. You guys want to, comment down below your favorite lobster roll next time I come up here. I'll try that place. That's all I got for you. It's not easy. The show is fun.